barbell shoulder extension looks like this. So the start position, face down. You're going to take your barbell or broom handle or whatever you have, and you're going to lay it across the back of your legs. Then you're going to push your shoulders down, depress the shoulders, kind of in towards the ground, and engage your triceps to lift the bar up to as close to vertical as you can. Then lower it down under control. Again, looks like this. And in this position, your hands are not out wide, they are nice and narrow next to your butt. Also, pull the belly button up, tuck the butt, make it strict.